everyone! So you guys will see an entertaining show in this video. You will see how to add an atmosphere to your outdoor fire pit. A fire pit on your backyard, fireplaces, bonfires, or even a campfire during the winter season is a magical moment, guys. So we will see how the wood fire glow and the flames flicker and the sparks pops in the shower. It's a mesmerizing thing to witness. Spending your evening with your family or your friends near the fire pit also makes our body warm. So how does the nature flame color change into a beautiful rainbow color? Exactly correct.
Huh? What do you think it is?
Bag full of chemicals to change the flame.
Yeah. Gorgeous. Look at the color. Yeah, lovely.
Basically, the chemical play its function to change the flame. By adding a small amount of chemical to a hot burning fire, you can have big wow effect. To change a natural flame into color flame, we use a color flame powder. It is a festive item that can make flames with the different colors. This product you can easily buy online or even on your local stores. Vibrant colors you will able to see is a green, blue, yellow, and the purple. Hi guys, I'm with my lovely husband tonight. Where we are, Daddy?
3 doors down, over the road.
Yes, we come here to celebrate 50th Wendy's birthday. And we have fire pit around. It's very beautiful because it has color on the flame. As you can see on the table, what type of chemical can create the colors. Red is created by strontium nitrate or lithium salt. Oh, but yellow is created by sodium chloride. The easy ones to remember is blue is created by alcohol. It's interesting, isn't it? We know how to create a wonderful color on our flame. For myself, having a colorful flame was a fun experience for outdoor activity with my family and my friends. However, it is also suitable for a great indoor fireplace. Would you like to give a try? the flame's still going, so it lasts like for 10-15 minutes. As you can see, the colorful flame is still coming. Beautiful.
In between.
There is a small tips for you guys if you want to have a try on your place. If you guys want to enjoy this moment on your campfire, just make sure your cooking activity is completed. As you know, the powder has chemical element and you don't want your food with the chemical. You guys also need to watch the wind when you have fire and chemical powder together. Once you finish, just make sure you pour water on campfire. It's just to stop the heat spread. Okay guys, enjoy your fire. Be safe. See you again.